Euro against US dollar this week has risen in value. We can see that the price started this rise from 1.07825 support level and then continued to rise in value all the week until the Friday yesterday, where the prices reached this supply zone, a resistance level at 1.08846 here, and formed a strong bearish candle, which is bearish engulfing candle. A week has closed as a bullish candle, but we can see with the larger wick on the upper side, where the price has reached the support level, meaning this is the support where the price has found enough demand zone by its waiting, and also the sellers have exited their trades from the trade they have entered here, exited their trades here. The month has closed as a bearish month. We can see that the price has returned back down below 1.09860, suggesting further decline down. So this month I am expecting that the price will continue to fall down in value, reaching 1.07825 as the first step, and then probably as the next one around the area here, 1.07, and then we will see what happens around this one here. So for the weekly, currently we have 1.07825 as support level, and we need to see how the price will behave around this resistance and this support. From area where the price currently is, I need to see where the price will make a breakout. Will it be a bullish breakout suggesting further rise in value, or it will be a bearish breakout suggesting further decline in value? So on the monthly time frame, I have said that 1.07 is the next target for the price, where the price could reach on the monthly time frame. So this is also the target for me, what I can see if the price makes a bearish breakout below 1.07825. If I go to the daily time frame, we can see that this is a bearish engulfing candle suggesting further decline down. So I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall in value, reaching 1.07825, and that is here. And after that, if the price goes even further down, we can see 1.06736 is the next large target, but the first one is 1.0727. So the weekly and also the monthly time frame are targeting around 1.07, but we can see on the daily time frame this is much more clear that it is around 1.068 support level. So for now, I'm expecting that the price will fall down in value, reaching 1.07825 as support level, and from there I will see will the price manage to make a bearish breakout going even further down, or it will stay and then wait for the price to go up or down, forming a bullish breakout above 1.08846, or going below, forming a bearish breakout below 1.07825. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.